Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ubapiti Sawkmie MLA Barim baru Chairman ke State Development Reform Commission. Kumu Kongsan haga Henriu Terik Urisau Arjar Arpulai ula Plie ya artli gi Fete ke Wei ha Stephen Memorial Secondary School Maulai Mauro bat kababut ha Seng Khasi Higher Secondary School Jayau kibala pelong kum shibentaban penmi pisa ya ke jingdon kam jong school. Uba Sawkmie ula no senyang da song pisa syabaro artli gi school kum shibentaban ya don bentalang hagapan penmi pisa ya gini gi school. Haba ai jingkren uba Sawkmie ula penpau ya ke jingkmen. Bagi dangkan mau yu ban khot sungub ha ban ya don bentalang bat ki school bat ban yo ban Plie ya gini gi Fete school. Haga jing Plie ya ke Fete ha Stephen Memorial Secondary School la don katlang i Sister Mary Sayo principal ke school urang basnong maulai mauro uba Peter Lamare kinong hikai ki kena school bat kiwei. Haba kren priang sungub ha i Sister Mary lapen kan mau ya ki kam uba piti Sawkmie baula no senyang ya ke school ha kapor jinglong MLA jong u ula penyo ya ki core computer bat gemaran basketball. Katba ha Seng Khasi Higher Secondary School la don langga principal ke kong FM Shabong u babu kular kong jirem kinong hikai ki kena school bat kiwei.
Many computers to the use of the students. Being a well-learned person, he understands the need of learning computer in this modern world, 21st century. Sir Sawkmie is also aware of the importance of sports and games in students' life. Therefore, he has willingly constructed the basketball ground and basketball court for our students, which is yet to be completed. We are deeply grateful to you, dear sir, for your thoughtfulness and for your big-heartedness. The young boys and young girls will always remember you in their life, now and the days to come. May God bless you in all your endeavors, and we wish you all the best for the days to come.
I'm very much happy after this sister addresses that she had joined this school. She, along with the teacher of the school, she came and met, also introduced herself that she had already joined here in Stephen Memorial High School. I could see that she has an open heart, a heart to serve, and also a heart to live the society and also the state of herself. Sister, God will bless you, and I'm sure this is a partnership that you have already told me you have been in this field many years. You have already completed, and I'm sure that you will do the best in the days in the years to come. Thank you all the teachers of the school. Thank you the sisters, the non-teaching staff, the parents, the student, Ramrashlam, Hospital Lamari, members of the Ramrashlam, Sangaparans, of CMC, Guraidawa, parents, and each and every one of us. I thought in the morning that whether possible of having a day today because of the heavy rain that we have already experienced since yesterday. But even for myself, I am a man that finds myself to be a very punctual. It is a 9:30, 9:25 or 9:27. I should be on that function. But today, because of the rain, though I have already been ready for my stuff, I'm waiting for the call from the school. I got a call from Bastilin, I got a call from Peter, that sister, the teacher, the student, all the parents are on the wicket. That is sharp 9:30. I was very much happy because even myself also I've already been prepared of coming here in your faith. But I'm very much happy that you go in a small benefit that we have already organized, even in that we organize the welcome song, the welcome speech, the dance from the students, the speech from the teachers. It has become in a big way. Thank you very much, and thank you for the gift you have given to me. I still feel like sitting here today. Do I have not been in now, but by the grace of God, I've always said to the people that some people said, you are a very lucky person. Even if you have lost election, the government is so kind enough that giving you a good chairman of state development for permission. I told them it is not unlucky enough, it is a God grace. It is Holy Mother grace. Because I try my best, the best for the constituency, even for the states of home. Because I always tell people, God has chosen me in this profession. I have this profession for the last 30 years plus. But during my school time, I have my intention how to invest for the society, even for the state as a whole. I'm very much happy that we here have been watching always got this, but I'm sure that we got to do something. My dear parents, and I'm sure that all of you have only given some cash, some money to your son, to your daughter, to your son, that she should contribute to something. Intention of organizing of faith, like sisters of the already said, to raise funds. Today is the day that the school have organized to have a mini group to raise funds for the good intention of the institution. In a prayer we have already been heard, that's already been said. Intention of this ministry is to raise funds for the welfare of the school. I mean that the institution have many need of the money in this list because so many expenditure. Not talking about the end of the month, even day by day expenditure. You have to spend. Even at the end of the month, sister, headmistresses, and you have to pay how to pay the salary for the teacher. And second, that many of listeners they have to take care. But though that the sister headmistresses have tried best to run the institution in a proper way, we are very much happy for the last many years since Stephen Newell or high school assisting and yesterday here in Malaya, we have not heard any problem. Main important, you have a good management, a good headmistress, good teacher, the cooperation from the headmistress, the cooperation from all sisters, the cooperation from the teacher, the cooperation from the parents, the cooperation from the members of the Catholic Managing Committee Mulai Mowo. I cannot forget CMC of Mulai Mowo. It is a hand who supported the school every time and then. Even the Donation Mulai Mowo, on the leadership of Peter Lamare, even always used to support the school from time to time. But I'm sure that the school will continue to give the best education. We are very much happy of knowing that Stephen Memorial School is one of the best schools in the city of Shillong, even in the state. We can base on that how the school is good, how the school is given a good performance. It shows that it depends on the result, how the school, what is the result. Every year, if it is a good result, it shows that the school is a good school. Teachers are working so hard. Students are very brilliant, and also that students also they have worked hard. That's why they have produced a good result every year. And I'm consistent in the format. Then we get this IT system. School,
The aim and objective of conducting this mini-fete is to raise the school fund. We aim high for the school to provide the facilities for the children and also for the teachers. I am very proud to say that this school, which had crossed 100 years of its existence, produced many stars, and many of them have succeeded in all aspects. When we looked at the academic performance of the students, we are at par with other schools in Shillong. When we talk about the infrastructure, we are improving. So here, at this moment, I express my gratitude to ABB project. So on the ABB project, we can develop this infrastructure. We have seen this building, which is opposite to this old building. This is due to ABB project. And here, I say that the teachers and the members of the managing committee, the students, will not rest. Because for NEP 2020, we need to open the vocational course for children. And also, we need to upgrade the infrastructure. So this is our aim. Why do we have to upgrade the infrastructure? Because Infrastructure is the factor that affects quality education. In this regard, we will not rest. We will work hard. Though we face the financial crisis after COVID-19, but we are positive all the teachers, if we work hard with a good hope, our efforts will not be ended in smoke. Year by year, we have to struggle, and this is a small activity that we are practicing to raise the school fund. It is just like a drops of water that make the vast ocean. Along kum I jinja merit, people long ba kabaya.
Of inviting me to be today for the chief guest of University of Fete. I'm very much happy on the day because why I'm very much happy? Because I am from your institution, like you have already mentioned. I was from here from your institution, like our principal already mentioned. Many teachers, they are my classmates. We are from here, but many teachers, they have become old and mature enough because of the long time we have been here. Myself and others, we have become old and sick. I'm very much happy saying that they are very healthy and smiling face. The teacher always said they're very healthy teachers because every day they have to come up from respective house to the school, be like a sport person, morning and daytime with the only in the school. When I was standing here, I remember about those days where Seng was our established. We have all these days, I may say that the last 30 to 40 years back, we have only this building that I stood here. This is only the building, the very old building. We have a battle here. One of my family members, I may say I'm very much happy. He's still young. Very much happy that he's here today. But we are from here. But remember myself and others teachers remember. At the time we had a student. Remember this is only the building that we have at the time. But if sometimes I feel pity of knowing about the background of the school. There is we have only this building. In this building we have I will say that at the time that we didn't have the benches, the bench. There's no bench on the first floor of the building. There's no bench. We have to set the floor. On the floor there's a mat. There's a mat cover. We have to sit on the floor. There is no bench at the time that we sat or even right. There's no bench. We came to school with a short pan, a patuling coat that we call short pan here. We have to use at the time. Short pan we come here. Many things I remember at school about those days that the ground that that in front of me, that is the ground. I will say that it's not cemented. It is a rough ground, many stone. You have to play that side. Even on the left side, so that's not cemented at the time. They have also many stone at the side. Full building, full of these areas. I will say nearby of these areas, full of forests, full of trees that side. But I'm scared of going in, even going with that side. Sometimes even the first floor, the main floor of the gate, there's no gate at the time. We can come and can go anytime. Like principals had already been such. Saying that the school is one of the school, they have getting a maximum education for the student of life. So many students, especially we from Moraine Opering, Waka, we call, Lalamanda, we call, at the time, there's no good bridge from here. You have to walk in the wooden bridge. There is a wooden bridge at the time. That's right, there's a wooden bridge. There's no more wooden bridge. There's only this little we saw only the good bridge, cemented bridge. Even the side we're going to wedding dance, there is no bridge here. There is no bridge. You have to make a way around. where there is much of change of the infrastructure of the school support. But talking while moving from time to time, I'm very much happy of seeing that Seng Khasi, a school, at the time we have LP, with the UP, we have then we have for high secondary, and we are very much happy we have the college. I'm very much happy of seeing that the growth of the Seng Khasi school platform from the small building that we have already seen today. I have already mentioned about the opposite of this building, they are getting help from EDB, but we are very much happy of seeing the condition. Talking about, like we have already said, this is a fact. Based on the patterns of any institution, it's based on the result of the institution. Seng Khasi is not bad. It's a good, right from the time when we are beginning here. Good students are produced. Even especially those days before the matric, good students they have all been come out successfully. Even this at the time we have at the top and others, we are very much happy. We are very much happy these days that Seng Khasi has grown. I may say that we come at par with all the institutions that we have in the city of Shillong, with the state, even in the national support. Everybody knew about the Seng Khasi because of the technology that we have. Seng Khasi is one, I may say that one of the institutions that everybody knew about the contribution of the Seng Khasi. Even as an institution, even it's about the culture, even it's others, everybody knew. But I'm sure that Seng Khasi will move on in the years to come. With the cooperation of each and every principal, with the cooperation of the teacher, I'm very much happy in those days. Or the teacher, right from before that time, we have headmisters, we have headmaster, we have teacher. I remember about we have the PT teacher. At that time, we have Sakaramji, I remember Sakaramji. We have also the Hindi teacher, Ms. Kama. But we have many of the, I remember that in those days that have a good teacher. But I'm very much happy that saying that the school has grown. The purpose of having of this of the benefit, like all these said by principals, is really important is to raise fund for the institution. It is really important to have the fund. But the fund is not enough. But the fund is not enough to meet all the expenses. Even this for our contribution, if it is a small or big, that will help the institution to run in the years to come. I'm sure that institution will be in a better position if it is all-round development. I'm sure that the school, like from the beginning, because of the support of the Seng Khasi or Sawkmie that we call, we have seen today. Because of the great support of the Seng Khasi Sawkmie, the Seng Khasi school, though they have some problem, but because of the strong support of the Seng Khasi Sawkmie, she can stood like we have seen. I'm sure that she will go bigger and better. But like I've already said, I appeal to all of us who came today. That is our duty when we have a faith in contribution. Faith in buy something and also spend something. But before doing that, I will also say for this one, for myself, I will like to donate something to today ministry.
Okay, we are selling tickets for Raymond in the Rolling Stone.